Hi, I'm Jenny, and I'm one of the co-founders of Nude Sticks. I'm so excited to be launching Nude Skin by Nude Sticks. Nude Skin is all about simple, multitasking, vegan-powered, dermatology-approved actives that give you confident nude face beauty. It's really so simple. It's 4 steps. You need to cleanse, you need to exfoliate, you need to tone, and you need to moisturize. It's so good. I can't wait to share my routine with you. Step 1 is the Gentle Hydrogel Face Cleanser. I love this non-foaming cleanser to use day and night. It's non-foaming, it's sulfate-free, it's made for the most sensitive skin, it keeps skin super soft, it's fragrance-free, and it's ideal for anyone who has very sensitive or inflamed skin. You're absolutely gonna love it. So all you need is the size of a dime, and you massage. Now let's splash it off with warm water. I just love the way my skin feels. Now it's time for step 2, exfoliate. And I can't wait to show you how to use our Lemonade Detox and Glow Micropeel. This exfoliant is a 3-in-1. You're gonna detox with a sulfate-free cleanser. You're going to exfoliate with papain from papaya extract as an enzymatic peel, as well as citrus alpha hydroxy acids so that you get cell turnover, and you're also going to get a beautiful, bright, clarified skin glow because of all of the acids and all of the enzymes. You're going to absolutely love this product. Let me show you how to use it. So you want a quarter size amount of product. You want to massage your skin in circular motions very, very gently, and you massage until you peel. And you want to massage probably for about 60 to 90 seconds until you have nothing left to peel, and you can see everything's falling. Everything is coming off. And you want to just keep massaging until you have no more peels. And that means there's nothing left on your skin to exfoliate. So now let's just splash with warm water and check out our skin. My skin is smooth, it's glowy, it's fresh, and now I'm ready for step 3. Tone. Using our 5% citrus fruit and glycolic glow toner. Our toner is alcohol-free, so it's never gonna dry and strip your skin. It contains acids from grapefruit, lime, lemon, apple, orange, all of these beautiful citrus fruits that are super active on your skin to help deep cleanse, to help increase cell turnover, and to really create an instant glow that you usually only find after a spa treatment. You're absolutely gonna love it. Let's tone. So our toner comes in this cute little bottle with a flip up cap and a finger pump. So you can use this as a finger pump and you just massage it into your skin. And I put it only on half the face right now so you can see the instant glow it gives my skin. And that's it. Now we're ready for step 4, moisturize. With our Citrus C mask and daily moisturizer that's loaded with natural vitamin C that comes from fermented yuzu oil. We've also added turmeric, which is an anti-inflammatory, and it really helps increase skin immunity so that it always is less irritated, and it's also more protected from any type of environmental damage. You only need a pea size of product to do your entire face. What I love about this moisturizer is the way it feels. We designed this in our Korean laboratories to have a lightweight elastomer rather than waxes, so it penetrates readily into the skin. It's rich without being oily. It's always going to be super moisturizing. You'll love this hydration wonder. You can use it underneath makeup. You can use it as your daily moisturizer, and you can also apply it as a thicker layer at night as a hydration mask. Now I've completed my nude skin 4-step routine. I've cleansed, I've exfoliated, I've toned, and I've moisturized with my Citrus C mask and daily moisturizer. My skin feels so soft, it's not oily, it's just glowy, and now I'm ready to start my day, or I can go and put my makeup on right over this. I absolutely love what this moisturizer has done for my skin, and I hope you love it as much as I do.